Aloha. Looking at the word Puni today, and the first thing we recognize that Puni, of course, is a VS. It's a condition. It's a hopena. And one of the things to kind of remember, that Puni, in fact, is very much similar to the word pau. In usage, the word pau means total. Puni also has a sense of total, but really what it means is something has been, that's the best way to explain it. Something has been encircled. Something has been circumnavigated. Something in the sense of around, rounded, right? And so if we look at the examples provided, Woholo na keiki, the children ran. The children ran, a Puni, until blank the hale, until the house was circumnavigated, until the house was rounded. In English, you would say the children ran all around the house until the house was rounded, Puni. Now, a common word that's connected to Puni, people are familiar, of course, is the word ka'apuni. And ka'apuni, in fact, is a action. It's a hana. Yeah? So ka'apuni means to do this, the action of doing that. That's ka'apuni. Hence, we have famous names like Keli'i Ka'apuni Honua, the ali'i who went around the planet, which, of course, is the name of Kalakaua, Keli'i Ka'apuni Honua. So it's a real common name you find in Hawaii, Ka'apuni, to go around. To go around the island, Ka'apuni, Kamokopuni. But the root word puni, again, what that means is that actually as a condition that has already been performed. So the next one we can look at, ʻŌlelo ihele a puni. And you notice again that until blank is a common usage. Now, let's look at some examples of how puni is used also. Now, a common use of the word puni, in fact, I'm just going to use this as a way to explain its meaning. Again, remember that it's a VS, that's the first thing to remember, is that it can be used commonly, it is used with the a. That's a real common usage until you have done that. So I might say, holo a puni, run until puni. Yeah. Even ideas, for example, run around the house. All right, I'm telling you, hey, go run around the house. Now, I could say it as an action, or I could say it with the use of the word puni. If I'm going to say run, e holo, oi, e holo. A puni, until what has been rounded? Kahale. So a puni kahale. Now, a common mistake here, people is going to say e holo a puni o kahale. They stick in an o there, which is incorrect. In fact, if you look carefully, this is what has been put. That is the piko, and this, in fact, is the painu. Now, another way to say the same thing, I might say e holo ikahale, run until puni. I could actually put the puni in back also. So this is a common way of saying much of the same thing. Yeah. For example, run around Maui, e holo a puni o Maui. Yeah, run around Maui, e holo a puni. Maui is a name. Here's that o. And this is why a lot of people get mistaken with that o, thinking that o is always there. But that o marks, again, like any piko position when Maui is the piko. Now, if I said holo a mam, I could say mam Maui, run on Maui, until all around. And this is another way you can say a very similar meaning. Let's try another example. Maybe something like the dogs the dogs ate the shucks. I'm trying to think of a plant the dogs would eat, but I don't think the dogs eat plants, so that's probably not. Maybe I'm gonna just have the tea leaves around the house. I mean, okay. Not the best example, but it works. Yeah, the dogs ate. Basic sentence. U'ai na ʻŌlelo. Right, the dogs ate. What did they eat? The tea leaves. And I'm just going to use the word naki. I could use la'i, but I get tea, naki. Which key? The key that's around the house. And I could, again, Puni Kalei. So many times when you use Puni, it's a very simple kind of usage of the ku'a until Puni Kalei. Now I could say, I could bring this around also, right? I could move in the end part here, naki. I might say makahale at the house. Puni here also. I could stick it in back there until all around. Yeah, so these are two common ways, again, to see how the word Puni is used. I mean, in a pure VS form, let me just try something. I could actually say something, maybe not tied into this example. Maybe I want to say the dogs ran around the house. Yeah, and I could say, again, just like Pau, and I'm going to put Pau here as a reference. Wa Puni Kalei. The house has been punied from what? Maybe inaki. That the house is surrounded, circumnavigated, rounded by what? By tea leaves. Yeah, wa Puni Kalei inaki. Not that the fact that the tea leaves are important, but what's important that the fact that the whole house, maybe this is a house, in other words, right? I have a house here, and around this house I have tea leaves that surround it. So the idea that the whole house, the house is blank by what? Because, and again, because Puni is a VS, you remember the VS? I can show the cause. So if you need to go and refresh yourself with the idea of the causative or the akena a'ano, yeah, the avi akena ano, you should take a look at that. But again, the main purpose is when you use pau, in the same way, Puni has the same kind of uses because they're both, again, VSs. And again, just to remember that in English, they may sound weird in English, but in Hawaiian, it's a very important way to express that I'm focusing on the fact that the whole house is surrounded by tea leaves. E mua.